If you've just moved into a new apartment or you're trying to make the most of a tiny space, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 25 genius Amazon gadgets that are perfect for small apartments. Whether you're short on space, storage, or just looking for clever upgrades that actually make a difference. So hit that subscribe button and let's jump into the best gadgets you need for your new and small apartment space. One of the biggest space wasters in small apartments is drying clothes. The retractable clothesline fixes that instantly. Mounted on your wall or balcony, it pulls out only when needed and tucks away flat when you're done. With dual stainless steel ropes extending up to 13.8 feet and supporting up to 44 pounds, this thing is no lightweight. You can dry everything from t-shirts to towels. It is virtually invisible when not in use, and it earns its spot in any space-saving laundry setup. If your apartment doesn't have a built-in laundry setup, the Uhumi portable dryer is a must. It's compact at just 1.5 cubic feet, but don't underestimate it. This thing can handle up to 5.5 pounds of wet clothes with ease. With 4 drying modes, including intelligent drying and odor removal, you're not just saving space, you're saving laundry day altogether. The mirrored door gives it a sleek look that fits right in, whether you store it in a corner, under a counter, or even in a closet. Ironing in a tiny apartment can feel ridiculous until you meet this small ironing board. It folds in half to just 16 inches long, making it perfect to slide behind a door, under a bed, or in a closet. But don't let the size fool you. When opened, you get a full ironing surface with a built-in iron rest and a pro-level cotton cover. The adjustable legs give you good height control and it won't wobble while you work. It's not just a convenience, it's smart living. Tiny apartment bathrooms are notoriously bad for shaving. Small mirrors, zero ventilation, and constant fog. The Gauss-Bayer heated shower mirror completely changes that. With its built-in heating chip, this mirror stays crystal clear no matter how steamy your shower gets. The adjustable LED lighting makes it easy to see even in dim bathrooms. It rotates up and down so you can always get the perfect angle. Most users find it solves 90% of their bathroom mirror problems. When space is tight, every square foot has to serve a purpose, and the Uhumi beverage cooler does exactly that. This compact fridge holds up to 130 cans and still looks sleek with its glass door and LED display. Whether it's sodas, sparkling water, or wine, this cooler keeps it all at the perfect temperature. You get 4 removable shelves for custom organization, and it's frost-free, so no defrosting headaches. Oh, and the reversible door and adjustable feet? That's what I call smart apartment design. In a tiny apartment, messes can feel way more overwhelming because every spot is in your line of sight. The Hoover Spot Cleaner gives you high-powered carpet and upholstery cleaning without the bulk. Whether it's a wine spill on your couch or pet stains on your rug, this portable cleaner gets it done fast. For occasional deep cleans in apartments and studios, this thing is gold. And when you compare the performance to renting a professional machine, this pays for itself fast. This is hands down one of the smartest large-scale organizers for small apartments. The Akahoho Pantry gives you tall, vertical storage without eating up your precious floor space. At 6 feet high, it tucks beautifully into corners or next to the fridge, instantly turning an awkward space into a storage powerhouse. It can hold up to 100 pounds, so load it up with confidence. What I love here is the mix of open shelving, hidden compartments, and a sliding barn door for that cozy, modern farmhouse look. In a compact bathroom, counter space is prime real estate. The wall-mounted toothbrush holder earns its spot by transforming chaotic morning routines into an organized experience. It features 5 toothbrush slots, 4 rinse cups, and 2 built-in toothpaste dispensers. Yes, 2. It's especially great for families or roommates. Everyone gets their own slot, and the vacuum pump toothpaste dispenser cuts down on waste and mess. It includes built-in drainage and dust covers, which means no mildew buildup or messy counters. Living green in a tiny apartment used to mean sacrificing convenience, but the Maria electric composter changes that. It sits right on your countertop and turns food scraps into dry, odor-free compost in just a few hours. I recommend this especially for anyone in a small kitchen who's tired of throwing out produce scraps or coffee grounds. It comes with 2 composting modes, and the activated carbon filter keeps odors at 0, and trust me, that matters a lot in small kitchens. If you want to stay active without leaving your apartment, you need the Walking Pad X21 treadmill. It is a space-saving treadmill that folds vertically into a slim, minimal design you can hide behind a door or slide next to the wall. It's powerful, stable, and runs quietly, even at 7.5 miles per hour. A rotary dial controls speed, and the LED display tracks everything from steps to distance. It's not just a treadmill, it's a space-saving lifestyle solution that comes fully assembled. In a tiny apartment, dishwashing can be the most dreaded chore, especially without a built-in unit. But the Yuhomi countertop dishwasher fixes that. It fits right on your kitchen counter and handles plates up to 10.25 inches. The best part? You don't need a water hookup. It has a built-in 5-liter tank. That's a lifesaver in rentals. With 6 wash settings, including one just for fruits, it's surprisingly powerful. And it even has built-in hot air drying, so dishes come out ready to use. Every small apartment bathroom needs tools, but no one wants to look at them. The Set Sail toilet brush and plunger set does more than hide in plain sight. It's designed with a dual storage base that keeps everything upright, dry, and hidden. That means no awkward leaning brushes or puddles on the floor. The ergonomic handle and durable bristles make deep cleaning easier and faster, while the heavy-duty plunger can actually handle real clogs. No more second attempts. If you're tight on space but love big kitchen results, the Shine Kitchen Electric Spiralizer hits the sweet spot between function and footprint. It securely holds soft and hard veggies, no slipping, no awkward pressure, and turns them into everything from angel hair zucchini to thick fettuccine-style spirals. The 60-ounce container collects everything, which means way less mess on your limited counter space. It stores all its components inside itself, huge win, and it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is basically automated. Pet hair and crumbs have nowhere to hide. The iVac touchless vacuum sucks it all up without bending over. You just sweep debris toward it, and its built-in infrared sensors activate powerful suction the moment it detects dirt. It's especially handy for pet owners who are constantly chasing fur bunnies. With a large bagless canister and easy control settings, it's more efficient than a traditional handheld vacuum and way more stylish. In a tiny kitchen, every surface should do more than one job, and the Sanya Casa undermount workstation sink turns your kitchen into a multitasking hub. With its slide-in accessories like a cutting board, drying rack, and colander, you can prep, rinse, chop, and clean all in one zone. It's made from thick 11-gauge stainless steel, so it's heavy-duty enough for daily use. And the X-Drain design keeps water flowing smoothly. It's not just a sink, it's your kitchen's MVP. Every square foot counts in a tiny apartment, and that includes your sleeping setup. The Cinweek folding mattress is what I call a smart solution for smart spaces. Whether you're hosting guests or just need a comfy spot to lounge or nap, this 4-inch mattress folds and unfolds in seconds. The memory foam top provides body-hugging comfort, while the high-density base keeps things supportive. Best part? When you're done, fold it up and slide it under the bed or into a closet. Tiny kitchen? That doesn't mean compromising on precision cooking. The ThermoMaven wireless thermometer guarantees pro-level results without eating up counter space. With dual ultra-thin probes, it lets you monitor 2 dishes at once without overcooking or hovering near the stove. The real-time readout and Wi-Fi app give you freedom to step away, whether you're hosting or multitasking. It handles up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, charges fast, and even goes in the dishwasher. Who says your apartment can't have a fireplace? The Bellazzi TV stand brings cozy vibes and serious functionality into one sleek unit. With a built-in 36-inch LED fireplace that heats up to 400 square feet, this console doubles as a heater, perfect for saving on winter utilities. It fits TVs up to 80 inches with ample shelving to hide remotes, books, or gaming gear. If you're limited on space, this gives you heating, storage, and ambiance, all in one stunning centerpiece. Meet the Enabot Home Security Robot, a cam that actually moves. With its 2.5K night vision camera and two-way talk, you can check in on your pets or children from anywhere via the app. But the magic is in the movement. It rolls around your apartment, dodging obstacles and even slopes. Store snacks, schedule voice messages, or add treat dispensers to keep your babies entertained while you're out. It recharges itself at a dock, supports SD or cloud storage, and is built for both cats and dogs.
Need more storage and ambiance by your bed? These LED nightstands bring both without cluttering your space. Each unit has 2 roomy drawers, great for keeping chargers, books, and bedtime essentials hidden. But the real standout, the customizable RGB LED strip with 29 lighting modes, music sync, and timer control. Choose your vibe right from your phone or remote. In small bedrooms, where every piece has to earn its place, these tables bring storage, tech, and style all in one. Washing dishes in a small kitchen can be a struggle, especially with a fixed faucet. The swivel faucet aerator solves that in style. It rotates 360 degrees and offers 3 stream settings: shower, rinse, and laminar for whatever task you're tackling. Made from solid brass with a sleek chrome finish, it's not just durable, it feels premium. It fits most standard faucets and instantly improves reach, pressure, and control. Less mess, less splashing, and a more efficient sink, without upgrading your whole kitchen. Tiny fridges mean every inch matters, and the Belicious Pro Vacuum Sealer helps you stretch both food life and shelf space. It seals tight in under 20 seconds with a powerful 95 kilopascal double pump, preserving your groceries up to 8 times longer. With 10 smart modes, it handles everything from meats to delicate snacks. And the stainless steel surface plus removable tray make cleanup a breeze. In small apartments where you shop more often and cook in batches, this tool pays for itself, fast. Living tiny doesn't mean lifting heavy. Work smarter with gear built for tight quarters. The Couture 2-in-1 Dolly Cart. It folds flat for easy closet storage, but converts from 2 wheels to 4 in seconds. With a 330-pound capacity, it handles everything from boxes to water jugs without breaking a sweat or your spine. The rubber flat-free tires roll smoothly, and the included fold-out basket is perfect for laundry, packages, or storage runs. Closet space is gold in small apartments, and the Box Legend folding kit helps you maximize every inch. Whether you're organizing your wardrobe or running a small business, it gives you crisp, uniform folds in seconds. This kit includes a sturdy folding board, 100 resealable shirt bags, and 3,500 size stickers. Your clothes stack neatly, stay wrinkle-free, and look like they came straight from retail. And the bags make storing or selling a breeze. In a small apartment, knowing when someone enters, whether it's a guest, a delivery, or your pet, is huge. The Securi door chime keeps you instantly in the loop. With a 400-foot range, 52 chimes, and 5 volume levels, you can customize it to fit your space. It installs in minutes with no wiring required, and the magnetic sensor tech works reliably on doors or windows. There's even a mute mode with LED flash for nighttime peace. Add extra sensors around your place and turn it into a full entry monitoring system. And there you have it, 25 Amazon gadgets that prove you don't need a big apartment to live smart and stylish. If this video gave you some fresh ideas, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. I post weekly videos packed with clever apartment finds and affordable upgrades for small spaces. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.